If you've heard about APIs but you still don't understand what they do, then save this video because I'm going to break it down to you using your experience at a restaurant. APIs are a structured way for an application to ask for data from another server. Let's say you wanted to retrieve information about Amazon's product prices. That information will live on their server. Think of their server like a kitchen in their restaurant. In order to access what they have in their kitchen, you need to visit their restaurant as a customer. And your application is what's placing the order. An API is the waiter, which acts between you, the customer, and Amazon's kitchen. When you visit a restaurant, you can't just waltz into the kitchen and grab all of the food that you want. You sit down and look at the menu and place an order. The order you're placing from the menu is what we call an API request. The API waiter takes your request and brings it to the kitchen. Kitchen processes your request and returns your food. That is an API response. At a restaurant, the menu is structured and you have a clear idea of what you can order. And this is the same with APIs. There's a clear guide in what data you can retrieve. And like at most restaurants, you need to make a reservation or permission to retrieve this data is provided via an API key. Think of that key as what secures your reservation. So as is the case at the vast majority of restaurants, you don't get your food for free. And it's the same with APIs. You typically have to pay for access and you have to pay for your requests, although there are some free ones out there. So the next time you get confused about what an API is and what they do, back to the last time you went to a restaurant.